if you watch that, you're going to learn a lot if you really think about it. You know, I've said before that I think he is the most important witness.
But there's a
all the time, and also, like in the social group, let me tell you as well, everyone's respecting that person. Like this is a genuine thing, right? I used to drink in a pub, right? It's sad, very sad stuff. But there's a guy who drank in a pub whose son was knocked down by a drink driver, right? And then he used to come in the pub and he'd drink in the pub and drive home. He'd have like 15, 16, like he'd literally get leathered in the pub and then drive home, berating drink driving. It was such a weird thing that you genuinely sit there and think you're doing the same thing, right? And I used to say to him, "No, you know, let me sort you out a taxi. I'll get someone to drop you home." He's like, "No, I'll drive." You know, and you think surely the thing that you're fucking making a stand against is the very thing now that you're. Do you not think? I think Jamie Foxx is incredible, but I don't.
Anyway, the point I was trying to make is I'm in Glasgow. Right. And
sorry.
No, you don't have to apologise. I forced the digression now, God. And anyway, so I finished.
Red light, mate.
Glasgow. So I decided to order some Deliveroo. I find the process, and I don't know how many people can. Anyway, the point I was trying to make is I'm in Glasgow, right?
Right.
And
sorry.
No, you don't have to apologise. I forced the digression now, God. And anyway, so I finished.
Red light, mate.
So I decided to order some Deliveroo. I find
not having sugar as a kid, right? Which only works as long as if I. When do people usually have their first chocolate biscuit?
I don't know, but I don't think 5 is that. I don't think 5 is that old.
I might be. Look, I was basically my first
I
year.
thought you were going to say. I'll be honest with you, I thought you were going to say 15. It starts to give me a little bit of an understanding of what you think is abstinence. But the fact that you didn't have, I'd love to see just fucking on a chat show just crying. No, yeah, wasn't going to have my first chocolate biscuit till I was 5 years old.
I didn't even know what chocolate was till I was 5.
Anyway, go on, sorry.
So yeah, so she was really against. We never had sugar or treats in our house. I used to just wolf them down.
It's a classic story. Classic story.
Yeah. So now I have a very unhealthy relationship with snacks, and like for example, right tonight, let's put tonight into context. I had a relatively healthy
car, yeah, but just stung it.
Got to save that on Chris's camera.
We saved it.
Yeah.
I knew what was going on there, but I ain't going over.
Idiot!
Yeah, you use your club car for points, you know.
What,
There's also goes down by the Central Motors here.
That goes by the first thing, mate. No, you! Just, don't ball in, just pull out, why don't you?
Jesus Christ.
And why'd you beat for? Unbelievable.
In the most important
yard, in the garden area, and then at the top of it you've got the garage hill, or whatever it's called.
You said you've gone down that road.
Yeah, I have. I used to go down there all the time when I
That's
was skittling.
That's how you say you know
Bowling
where,
even.
you know where the diversion are pointing to.
What are you doing? LD12 XKL 325 Sunday the 7th. Drove me off the road, brake tested me. What are you doing? Obstructing the highway? Absolutely no reason to do that.
In 300 yards, turn left onto Christchurch Avenue.